Hi students, how are you? Welcome to the new episode of Vijnana Vidhi. Have you completed the works which I gave you yesterday? I hope you all have done the work, all have completed the work. Okay, now let us move to the rest of the lesson. Yesterday we discussed about the stand-in, about the film Birds, and the ravens used in the film, the difficulties the author, the filmmaker Alfred Hitchcock faced in shooting the film. And for getting these hundreds of ravens, he published a notice in all the newspapers of United States. And he got a comment. A person came with hundreds of ravens, and they act accordingly. It was quite impressive. All these things we noticed yesterday. And today we are moving to the next part of the lesson. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Open your textbook, page number 45, 8th paragraph. Okay, let us go through the lesson now. Yet, a dog might be difficult, not impossible to handle. What was one supposed to do if there was need for a tiger in a film? We had to deal with this problem too when we were shooting Gooby Gaine Bhaga Bhaine. In the film, Gooby, who is banished by the king, wanders in the forest, meets Bagha, who is also been banished. They see a tiger and freeze. But the tiger simply walks about in the forest without paying them the slightest attention. And thus, Satyajit Ray is explaining about the experience of shooting the film Gooby Gaine Bhaga Bhaine. It's a Bengali film, and in that film, Gooby, a person who was banished. What do you mean by banished? Sent away from a place to the forest, and he is not supposed to come back. It's a punishment given to the people of that area. Why? Because if they are doing a mistake, they have to go to the forest and they are not supposed to come back. Here, Gopi was banished and he was going to the forest. And after reaching the forest, he saw another person. His name is Bhaga. And both of them met each other. At that time, a tiger came to the scene. And by seeing the tiger, this tiger is walking here and there. This tiger is not at all giving any attention to these two. But by seeing the tiger, they have to get afraid of it. This is what happens in the tiger scene of the film. Now let us watch that scene.
Din tak, din tak, tak din tak. Din tak, tak din tak. Dolly! তোমার ঢোল যে জল পরে ফুলে ঢোল হয়ে গেছে গো। কি নাম তোমার? আমার নাম? তোমার নাম তো কার? আমার নাম শ্রী গোপীনাথ গাইন। নিবাস? আমলকি। তোমার? ভর্তুকি। তো তুমি এখানে যে? তারাই দেশে গাধা পেটে তুলে দূরে করে দিয়েছে। চলে গেল বোধহয়। না, যাইনি। আমার নাম কি জানো? ভয় কাটি ঢোলে চাটি, বাঘা বাঘা বাঘা।
For shooting such a scene, he has taken a lot of risk. Not only he and his crew has taken a lot of risk. And what was the risk? That all things that we are going to see in the rest part of the lesson. Okay. Having thought of the scene, I simply had to shoot it. But where were we going to find a tiger? The obvious thing to do was to look in a circus, since they were likely to have trained animals. As a matter of fact, one called Bharat Circus was visiting Calcutta at the time, holding shows in Marcus Square. We sent someone to make an appointment with its Tamil manager and then went to meet him one morning. He greeted us warmly and ordered South Indian coffee for us. The manager heard the reason for our visit, then sent for one Mr. Thorat. He turned out to be the ringmaster. He too was a South Indian, very well built, with features somewhat like those of a Nepali. He was perhaps no more than 40. He showed us an old scar on his forearm which had been caused by a tiger. Actually, Satyajit Ray wanted to take a shot by using a tiger. And he was thinking about it, and a question came to his mind. What is the question? From where he will get the tiger. At that time, Bharat Circus was visiting in Calcutta in Marcus Square. So, he thought that he will get a trained tiger from that circus. Have you seen a circus? Yes, most of you have seen the circus. And in circus, we will come across a lot of animals and they will show a lot of beautiful tricks. Looks quite amazing, right? And we may surprise that how they are doing all these kinds of tricks. It's because of the ringmaster. The ringmaster is a person who is giving training to all these animals. And Satyajit Ray and some of his men went to meet the manager of Bharat Circus, and they explained everything, that they need a tiger to shoot a scene in the film Gubi Gaine Bagha Baine, and he explained everything to that manager. At that time, manager sent for the ringmaster of the circus company, Mr. Thorat. He came there and he was about 40 years old, a well-built personality, and he is a South Indian, and not only that, he is having a look of Nepali. And when he came, he showed one scar on his forearm, and he told that the scar came because of a tiger. And the next paragraph, we told him what we wanted. The shooting was taking place near Shiuri in Birbhum. We wanted to show a tiger in a thick bamboo grove. All the animal was required to do was come out of the bamboo grove into an open space, pace gently for a while, look at the camera if possible, and then go back. Could a tiger from Bharat Circus do this job? Mr. Thorat nodded. How long will you need it for? Asked the manager. Perhaps a couple of hours for the shooting, I replied. But that would be in addition to the time it will take to travel to and from Shiuri. On being told that the travel itself should take no more than 2 days, the manager agreed to put the tiger in its cage and sent it in a lorry. He invited us to take a look at the tiger. Do you think it's going to be easy to set the animal free in the bamboo grove? I couldn't help asking. And in this paragraph, it says that Satyajit Ray told everything to the ringmaster. And what happened is the shooting was going on in the place called Shiuri in Birbhum. He has to bring this tiger to that place. What the tiger has to do is, it should come out of the bamboo grove and it should walk here and there, and if possible it should look at the camera and then it should go back. This much only needed. But they were not sure. Why? Because the tiger will do it or not. About that they were not sure. And Satyajit Ray asked, could a tiger from your circus can do it? Then Mr. Thorat nodded his head. Let me think. Like that he nodded his head. And he asked, how long will you need it for? Then he told, the shooting will take only 2 hours. And he asked about the journey. Then Satyajit Ray replied that it will take 2 days altogether, not more than 2 days. And Mr. Thorat, he agreed to that. He told that he will keep the tiger in a lorry and he will send it to the place. And he take them to meet the tiger. At that time, Satyajit Ray asked a question. Do you think it's going to be easy to set the animal free in the bamboo grove? I couldn't help asking. Means he just asked that question. If they are setting free this animal in the bamboo grove without the trainer, what will happen? We can't imagine, right? What will happen? It may attack the people over there. So he asked this doubt to this person, the ringmaster, Mr. Thorat. And what happens next? Mr. Thorat frowned. I am not sure. He replied, I have never let him out of his cage on his own, so really I don't know. What? Were all our plans going to go down the drain? How could we let the tiger's trainer be seen with the animal? How could Gooby and Bhaga be petrified with fear if the supposedly ferocious animal was accompanied by a man? No, we could not allow that to happen. When he asked this question, Satyajit Ray asked a question. What was the question? Do you think it's going to be easy to set the animal free in the bamboo grove? Then Mr. Thorat replied that he was not sure about it. Why? Because he didn't have such an experience to set free the animal alone. That's why he was doubted. And Satyajit Ray was thinking, all his plans are getting futile. He can't do this. He was thinking like that. And if Gooby and Bhaga in the film, they are seeing a tiger with its trainer, their facial expression will not be enough. They will not be that much terrified. If they are watching a tiger, if they are seeing a tiger in the bamboo grove without the trainer, they will get afraid of it. So this is what needed by Satyajit Ray. So he tried for that. Mr. Thorat found a solution. I will tie a wire around the tiger's neck. It will be thin but strong. If the wire was thin enough, perhaps it would remain invisible to the camera. But it was likely that the hair on the tiger's neck would be flattened by the wire, which would give the whole thing away. What if we found a collar made of tiger skin, fixed the wire to this collar and then tied it round the tiger's neck? I said. Here, they have to control this tiger from one end. But in the shoot, the trainer should not be seen. For that, they found an idea. Mr. Thorat found an idea. He said that they will be able to tie a wire round the neck. The wire should be thin enough and it will be too strong also. And the one end of the wire will tie round the neck of the tiger and the other end will be in the hands of the trainer. At that time, Satyajit Ray asked a question. If we are keeping a wire round the neck, the fur over there will be flattened and it will be visible to the audience. That feels not good. So he said another idea that they can keep a collar round the neck of the tiger and this collar was made of a tiger skin. That's why no one can identify which is the collar and which is the tiger. Likewise, they decided to do. And the next paragraph. In a village called Nottingham, we found a suitable bamboo grove to film the first meeting between Gubi and Bhaga and the appearance of the tiger. Mr. Thorat reached the shooting location with the tiger. There were about 25 people in the location. A few local people took our permission to go with us to watch how we tackled the tiger. And here they wanted to take the scene in the village called Nottingham. And here Gubi and Bagha should stand there in a bamboo grove. The tiger should come out of the bamboo grove and it should walk here and there in a dignified manner. And by seeing this walk, they have to get terrified. That is the scene. What is the place? Yeah, the name of the place is Nottingham. And they decided to take the scene in that place. And what happened? Mr. Thorat brought the tiger in a lorry. And there were about 25 people in the crew, film crew. And some locals were also there to watch the film. And altogether, they were standing there to watch how they are shooting these scenes. And the next paragraph. The cage on the lorry was covered. When the cover was removed, we were surprised to see not one, but two well-fed and robust tigers. I decided to play it safe. Mr. Thorat explained. If one doesn't get it right, we can use the other. And the cage was covered. And he brought the tiger in a lorry. When he opened or when he removed the cover, the people got surprised. Why they got surprised? Can you tell me? Yes, they got surprised because there were two tigers instead of one. And why did he bring two tigers? He brought these two tigers for what? If one didn't act well, he can use the other one. That's why he brought two tigers at a time in the covered lorry. Okay. Now, let us move to the questions. How did Ray manage to get a tiger? What did he do to get a tiger? Yes, your answer is correct. Very good. He went to the manager of Bharat Circus and he explained everything to get a trained tiger. What is the role of a ringmaster in a circus? He is in charge of all the actions done by the animals in a circus. What were the difficulties faced in bringing the tiger before the camera? First of all, they have to set the animal free and it should act accordingly. It should walk here and there and if possible, it should make a look to the camera and it should go back. What does the expression to go down the drain mean? It means that all the plans are wasted. He thought if the tiger is not acting properly, all his plans will be utter waste. And now you are aware about the questions and answers. If you don't know the answers, you can just go through the text. You can read it thoroughly. Then you will be able to find out the answers from the textbook itself. Okay. What you have to do? You have to write down all the questions and answers in your notebook. Not only that, you have to study. Don't forget to do that. Okay. Again, some more questions are there. What was Mr. Thorat's suggestion to control the tiger? What was the suggestion? Mr. Thorat told to tie a wire round the neck of the tiger to control it safely. What made Ray think of a collar made of tiger skin? Why? Why did he think so? Because if the wire tied around the neck, the fur over that area will get flattened. To avoid that, Satyajit Ray thought about this tiger-skinned collar. Why did Mr. Thorat bring two tigers instead of one? Yes, your answer is correct. Why? Because if one tiger is not acting well, he can use the other one. That's why he brought two tigers at a time. Now let us go through some vocabulary. These meanings also you have to write down in your notebook, and these meanings you can see in the glossary of your textbook. Okay. Frown, to make a serious, angry or worried expression by bringing your eyebrows closer so that lines appear on your forehead. It is such a lengthy meaning. I will show you like this. Okay. Petrified means terrified. Robust. Have you heard about robust? Yeah, it's a kind of banana, right? Here it means that strong and healthy. What is the meaning of robust? Strong and healthy. Okay. Now let us move to some of the activities in the back of the textbook. Okay. Imagine Ray writes a letter to the chairman of Animal Welfare Board of India, informing him the details of the shoot and ensuring him that the rules will be strictly adhered to. Draft the letter. Nowadays, we are not supposed to use the animals freely. We have to get the permission from the government Animal Welfare Board. From there, we have to get the permission. And we are not supposed to do any of the harm to these wild animals. And if we want to use these animals, we have to get the permission. For that, for using the tiger in his film, he has to get permission from the Animal Welfare Board. And now you have to write a letter. How will you write a letter? There are two kinds of letters. One is formal letter and the other one is informal letter. Already you know how to write a letter. Why? Because from the 5th grade onwards you are studying the same thing, right? So it will be easy for you to write down. Anyway, I'll just explain it for you. Okay. First of all, in a formal letter, what all things we have to include? The name and address of the person who is sending this letter. That person's name and address you have to write first near the margin. And the next you have to write the date. By keeping one line space, you have to write the date over there. And after that you have to keep a space again and you have to write the name and address of the receiver. And then you have to do the salutation, dear sir or dear ma'am, like that salutation you have to give. And under that you have to write the subject. Here what will be the subject? Seeking permission to use animals in film. And under that you have to include the body of the letter. How many paragraphs will be there in the body of a letter? There will be 3 paragraphs. First of all, introduction, and in the second paragraph subject details, and in the third paragraph conclusion. These all things together will make the body of the letter. First of all, introduction, about what you are going to write, that you have to include in 1 or 2 or 3 sentences in the introduction. And the subject details, why do you want this animal, what is the purpose of using this animal, that all kinds of things you have to mention in the second paragraph. And at last a conclusion. Hope you will do the needful, like that you can conclude the letter. And at the end, near the margin, you have to write a complimentary clause. What is a complimentary clause? Yours faithfully or yours sincerely. And under that you have to keep a sign and name. This is about a letter that you have to do. Don't forget it. Do it for tomorrow. Now, let me wind up the class. Satyajit Ray wanted to shoot a film, and for that he wanted to shoot a tiger scene, and he went to a circus company to get a tiger, a trained tiger for his film, and he met Mr. Thorat. He was the ringmaster of that circus company, and they decided to shoot the scene. And Satyajit Ray wanted to make this film beautiful by making them afraid of seeing this tiger. The trainer should not be seen in the shot. That's why they are thinking about different ways. And Mr. Thorat told that they can tie a wire around the neck, and they can by keeping the wire in the other and in the hands of the trainer, they can control the tiger. At that time it will look awkward. That's why Satyajit Ray told another plan, that they can keep a collar around the neck of the tiger, the collar was made of a tiger skin. And they decided like that. They decided to shoot the scene in the place called Nottingham. There, Mr. Thorett brought the tiger. There were a lot of people, means 25 people from the crew, and some locals were also there. All together were standing. They were standing there they were waiting and standing there to watch the shooting of the film. And at the time of the shooting, he removed the cover of the lorry. All got surprised. Why they got surprised? Because there were 2 tigers, and he told that, Mr. Thorett told that if one tiger is not at all acting well, he can use the other one. That's why he brought the second tiger. That's all about the lesson. And don't forget to do your activity. Don't forget to write down the notes. Okay. Hope you understand the lesson. You can watch this video again in the YouTube channel of Goodness TV. If you have any doubts regarding this portion, you can ask it in the comment box of this video. Thank you. Good night.